all to show how physical the club got.
Or he has something else to hide. Who knows though? Give me the names of all of them using it. That's all.
One person called him over 150 times last month. There's another prison guard by the name of Brenda Carter.
5 calls a day. I give her an 8 on the another psycho chick here. 10 beating Glenn Close from Fatal Attraction.
Got it. Great guy.
I'll send her over.
Got it.